Hello friend, welcome back to my humble YouTube channel. I have a great pleasure of unboxing another affordable mechanical watch. I did a week ago that goodbye of that Seiko 5, right? That James Bond kind of version, or sea urchin. And this is a new watch from the Mark, who is the owner of the Long Island watch. He has basically really great deals all the time, and sometimes he has super deals. In my opinion, this was a super deal, and I'm happy to share with you unboxing of this. These are other two items which were in the box. So here is some savings, right, coupon, and the other one I'm assuming was my invoice. Yep, but it basically confirms the item number, the Orient Defender 21 Jewel Automatic Field Watch with 24-hour subdial, the price, discount, how it was mailed and so on, and also explains the returns. Now, what am I considering as a super deal? Well, this watch today retails at the Orient USA for $285. The Mark from Long Island, his price today, it's $117. I will say that's in my book super deal, definitely. Also, when you subscribe for his emails, he gives you another discount, I believe 5%. So here comes the price. I paid for this watch $111. This, I think, it's absolutely unbelievable. Everybody who is familiar a little bit with Orient watches knows the quality, right? I own only one. It was the Mako, actually. It was the Diver, and it was so unbelievably high quality made and so precise, I couldn't believe it. So I'm coming back, right? This will be my second watch from the Orient, and extremely excited and anxious to see about the quality and the precision. And here comes the most exciting part, I will say, right? I don't know even how you open it correctly. This is really, oh yeah, first time for me. Okay, this is how it came. It probably moved a little bit, being in the box, right? Being delivered by the USPS. So this is the box. See the details. I will say normal, nothing special, obviously in this price range. It's way above what I will expect for this money. Here again, without removing it still yet, because this is unboxing video, right? I'm just trying to show you how it comes to you. So there is a paper, there are not the plastic wraps on it. There is the tag, the Orient logo, right? So checking out all these details, maybe we can finally take it off. Here you can see again the quality of this part and the watch itself. Voila, amazing. And looking on the details here, actually is that plastic covering, right? Let's open this and get rid of that paper. Okay, so that was one of the ways it's packed, right? When it comes brand new, it feels very nice. It's a good quality, right? It's relatively heavy, right? Nice. Here it's that bottom. Here it's that special hologram paper, right? You see on the back. That should also show that it's not fake, right? And it's original from the Orient. This is absolutely beautiful. I love it so far. Now let's pull away the plastic. so everybody can see how far it goes and so on. Okay, that was covering the whole part. Let's see here, easy to grab, right? Now this is interesting, right? What about this tag? It's inside of the bracelet. Normally it's wrapped around in the loop and you can immediately take it off, right? This one is inside of the bracelet. So what are they saying? That I'm supposed to walk with it all the time? Or is there something I'm missing and you can open it, unclip it here? I don't know, but this is unusual. I guess we learn every day something new, right? I use just my fingernail and I believe this really goes out. So you just get it off that watch, right? It has a special connector. Hopefully you can see it. And I will put it back inside right here. It should click, right? Nice. So I didn't know that. And the watch looks and feels really good. I really like it. This is a screw-on crown, everybody knows, right? Everybody did the research on it. So that's interesting because it's 100 meters only, but it's a screw-on. We know it's a non-hacking and non-hand binding, right? So I will have to shake the watch, start rotating it, right? Shake it, which I will do right now, that it will start actually running. Let's do that really quickly and see how it works. Yep, and it's perfectly running. So yeah, this is great. I will have to adjust the bracelet, obviously, right? That will be the next step. Set up the time. Everybody knows there is a day, date, and 24-hour orientation, right? These are the feature of the Defender. Here you can see it in the wrist. It feels really good. This is really nice detail, that clasp. I'm very happy so far with it. So thank you for watching. That was an unboxing, and stay tuned because I will do some videos with this beautiful watch after I will learn how to use it, and definitely review after months or two will be posted on this channel too. Thank you for watching once again and have a wonderful day, my friend.